Creating automatic replies to messages can be very useful when you're going to be on vacation or away at a conference and want others to know that you are away but will respond to their emails when you return. You can also have automatic replies to answer requests or auto replies are useful when you're going to be away from your email for a few days, a week, maybe longer. You can also leave other messages for auto replies for other reasons as well. Go into Settings in the top right hand corner. You want to go down to View All Outlook Settings. And here is your window with automatic replies. This is in a shaded gray, but once you click to turn automatic replies on, you can click a start time and end time. You can either block your calendar in case people want to send you meeting invites. You can automatically decline new invitations, decline and cancel meetings during this period, or a combination. And you can see here there is a space to write text of what you're going to be doing, whether it's inside or outside of Centennial College. And this is pretty standard for most businesses as well. So future supervisors and managers, this will be very useful in hospitality. Business is 24/7, but you'll also need to take time off, and these automatic replies come in very handy. Once you've done so, you can click Save, and it will occur for the period of time that you've allocated at the top. Thank you.